Have you ever stopped to ponder the intricate dance that is life on Earth? How every living thing, from the smallest microorganism to the tallest tree, is interconnected in a delicate balance of life and death, growth and decay. Welcome to the fascinating world of ecosystems. An ecosystem is a complex network of interactions between living organisms, their environment, and the processes that connect them. Picture it like a grand global orchestra. Every organism, every element, every process plays its own unique part in the symphony of life. But what happens when one of the instruments falls silent? The answer lies in understanding the basics of how an ecosystem operates. Each ecosystem consists of two main components, biotic and abiotic. Biotic elements are all the living organisms within the ecosystem: plants, animals, and microorganisms. Abiotic elements, on the other hand, include non-living factors like sunlight, temperature, wind, and soil composition. These two elements are not separate. They interact in a myriad of ways, forming a web of life. For example, sunlight provides energy for plants to grow through photosynthesis. These plants, in turn, provide food and shelter for animals. Animals, on their end, help in pollination, seed dispersal, and even in the decomposition process, which enriches the soil and allows for more plant growth. This cycle continues, creating a self-sustaining system where each component relies on the other. However, a key point to remember is that these ecosystems are delicately balanced. Any disruption in one element can have a ripple effect across the entire system. Think of a stone thrown into a pond, creating ripples that spread across the entire surface. So, what does this mean for our planet today? The sad truth is, human activities are causing unprecedented disruptions to these ecosystems. Deforestation, pollution, overfishing, and climate change are just some of the ways we are throwing the balance off kilter. And as we've discussed, any disruption can have far-reaching effects. The beauty of an ecosystem is that it is dynamic and resilient. It can adapt to changes to a certain extent. However, the speed and severity of changes caused by human activity are pushing ecosystems to their limits. In conclusion, ecosystems are a complex and fascinating network of interactions between living and non-living components. They are self-sustaining, dynamic, and resilient. However, they are also delicate and susceptible to change. The disruptions caused by human activities are threatening these ecosystems, and by extension, the life they support. So, the next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the grand orchestra of life that surrounds you, and remember, you too play a part in this symphony. We all do. And it's up to us to ensure that the music continues to play for generations to come.